In this guide, you'll learn how to fix fail to upload image please try again error on Character.AI. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure the upload is not failing due to a weak network. Next, restart the app or force close it and reopen it, as temporary bugs can interrupt uploads. Likewise, check for the app updates. Head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Character.AI. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Another common fix is to check the image itself. Try using a smaller file size or a supported format like JPG or PNG, because large or unsupported files may fail to upload. You should also check app permissions and ensure storage or photos access is enabled on your device. For that, launch Settings. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps, find Character.AI and launch it. Go to Photos and provide full access. Lastly, you can completely delete the app from your device. For that, navigate to the app Character.AI, press and hold on it, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App and click on Delete. Now head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app Character.AI and install it. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem will be fixed. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.